Welcome to D&D Automation's Tech Leader Labs. The following labs is Step 7 Basics Lab, Hardware Configurations. In this lab, we'll configure the hardware for the file we created in the previous Step 7 Basics Lab, Creating a Project. Once the file we created manually in a previous lab is open, we'll click on our project and expand it. Click on Schematic 300 Station. Double-click on Hardware. Once Hardware Configuration opens, we can see an empty screen. To our right, we should see the catalog. If we do not, select View from the menu in the top left and select Catalogs to view. The catalog has all the modules we require to configure our rack. But if we do not, we can update the catalog by downloading and installing catalog features. Today we'll configure our Schematic 300 rack. To the left we have the power supply, in the center we have our processor, and in the right we have our Ethernet card. From the catalog, select Schematic 300, Rack 300, double-click on Rail to insert the rail. Now insert the first device on the rack, the PS3075A power supply from the PS300 folder. Now we'll insert our CPU 315 2DP from the CPU 300 folder. Note, the CPU model should be displayed in the top right of the CPU or the right side of the card. When you insert the processor, a pop-up appears allowing you to configure the Profibus COM. If there are none created, you can create one with your required network settings. Now we'll insert our Ethernet card from the CP300 folder, Industrial Ethernet CP343-1 folder. In our case, it's the 1EX11 folder. When we insert our Ethernet card, a pop-up opens up requiring us to enter our IP address and network settings. Please proceed to the Communications Lab to learn how to download our program. This has been a D&D Tech Leader presentation. Please contact us if you're interested in a more personalized lesson plan at your facility or at D&D's Learning Center.